In this video, I'm giving my honest review of FlightHub and what you should know before using it. Based on publicly available user feedback, FlightHub can offer low upfront fares, but many travelers report issues such as unexpected fees appearing at checkout, price changes during booking, and difficulty securing refunds after cancellations. A common concern is customer support, with multiple users noting long wait times and inconsistent responses when trying to resolve billing or itinerary problems. While some customers do manage to book smoothly and get the advertised deal, the overall pattern suggests that reliability can be hit or miss, especially for trips where flexibility and support matter. If you prefer predictable service, booking directly with airlines or more established agencies may feel safer, but if you're chasing the lowest fare, just be prepared for possible complications. Stay tuned for more honest reviews. Subscribe so you never miss the next breakdown.